Vibes on the tracks.
It ain't a hit, it ain't hit how.
Alright guys, this is the next job. I should be done with this today. I should be done with this in the next hour. We're just fixing the bumper. We got a gash there. And then I got a scratch there. That's like the biggest part of the damage. Everything else is fairly simple. So I think I'm gonna take the bumper off. I don't know. I'm gonna see how difficult it is before I can take it off.
Said son.
Guys, this is what we got. It ain't bad. This is why we blend. You see the difference? That's why we blend. Most of the time the bumpers, plastic parts look different than metal parts. Let's see. See, this side ain't as bad. But you can see where the paint stops at. And I got the paint, oh shit. It ain't dried away. I got the paint going about right here. So you can kind of tell the difference. Same color, different shade. But it didn't come out bad. I'm satisfied. I got a few ones, but you'd never see them. Nobody would ever see them. So I'm not even gonna stress it. If I come out in the morning, then I take it out in the sun and they dominate, I'll mess with them. But I'm satisfied. I like that blue. Call it a night. Guys, this is it. Out the booth. I really like that clear. I like it a lot. That's gonna make that look way better. Look at the shine on it. Hold on. You see that? That's ridiculous. That's a good clear. I did get a little sag over here on the edge. Right here. Dang, that clear look good. Let me see. Can't see it. It's right there. It's little, super small. It should be nothing. We'll be done with this today.